How is it, Zen? Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job? Okay, so here's Zen. He's here. Zen's here and he's having breakfast along with Boomer and Ruby and Gracie. Are you being nice, Gracie? Everybody's eating. Everybody's happy.
You forgot to do a vlog with Asiel.
I know, I forgot to vlog when Asiel was here. Hey, the new dog is here. Like, it came and went. I totally did not get a chance to vlog when the company was here. They got here late. They left kind of early. Yeah. So anyways, still wearing what I had on yesterday, but got out of my pajamas. So yeah, everybody's just eating, loving the food, loving each other. Gracie's our little bit of a wild card with this whole process, but you know, she's doing good. She is. She really is. She's doing better. I'm keeping her busy and distracted. It's really interesting integrating a new dog into the house, but Zen is a sweetheart. Oh my God, so sweet. So sweet. Are you ready to go outside? 1, 2, 4 dogs, 2 daughters. We're ready? Let's go.
No, I have to grab my shoe.
Okay, so we're back inside. Ruby's enjoying Zen's blanket. Ruby, is that your blanket? Gracie is enjoying tearing up all the new toys and balls. Zen, what are you enjoying? Marley? You enjoying Marley, Zen? We're missing one. Where's Boomer? All right, Boomer may have went back to bed. So anything you want to say right off the bat? What do you think of Gracie?
Here's Boomer.
Where's Boomer? Where's Boomer? Boomer, come. Not Boomer. Boomer!
They look alike.
So that's it for this mini vlog. We're just hanging out with dogs, doing dog things. What do you think, Gracie? Is he allowed to have that ball? Is he allowed to have that ball, Gracie?
I'm gonna murder him.
Watch out, Boom. Watch out, Gracie's on to you. Gracie's on to you. What happened, Boom? What happened? Who got the ball? Who took her ball back? I am the owner of all the balls. Gracie. You happy?